Hey guys, Machines, I'm out here. Just a quick update on the van project. I don't know if you watched video number one, but I've been working on this thing for the last couple days in the afternoons, and just wanted to show you the progress. So we got a bench built here, and kind of didn't really have much of a plan for this build. I just had a bunch of scrap wood lying around. I went and bought a few pieces, new pieces of wood, and just started building. So basically I built a shelf that goes all the way along the left side here, and it kind of overhangs over the wheel well right there. And I've actually got a foot pedal activated hydraulic lift table that fits underneath of there, so that's kind of a storage spot. And then I just finished putting this together. It's basically a little shelf up here that I think I'm gonna house my laptop computer and have the stuff like the cell phone charger and just things like that related to office work, so that when I have to invoice a customer out, I can do it right here on the laptop. I might put a printer in. I don't really know if I need one because I can email the invoice directly from the software. It's got that capability. But anyway, so this is probably going to be a little office area. Keep some books and papers and just stuff to do with billing, invoicing, looking up parts and things like that. I didn't really, you can't really see it because I got all this stuff in the way, but I got this red steel cabinet, and it's just a storage cabinet. I didn't really have anywhere to put it, so I kind of screwed it up in the corner there. I don't know if it's going to stay there. Down there's the compressor. I think that's a good home for it. It's going to work out. I still have to remove this door. There's a solid wood door bolted to the floor. It was a foundation for a grinding machine. So that's going to come out next day, and then that'll lower that compressor a little bit. And then what I'm actually going to do is build a little steel bracket that holds the corner of this workbench up off the top of the compressor pump, because it's really close, and this sags just a little bit because it's hanging off the edge of the wheel well tub there. So we'll work on that. And then over here, like I said, I just kind of started building with what I had, and I came up with a top shelf. And this is the original bench that was in the van to begin with. I haven't really decided exactly where this is going to go. I kind of wanted it to the back of the van because it's messy. It creates dust and metal shaving, not shavings, but metal dust, and it's nice to have it at the back. So I'm going to maybe mount it on an angle here. We'll see. I'm not too sure. And then I just started using some pieces, and I built this little cabinet kind of thing. So you can see there's a top, and then the garbage can sits down underneath. I could even put a door on there if I wanted to. And then there's a little space up top. I reused this this shelf. It was mounted to the back wall, and used to keep things like a couple cans of spray paint and WD-40 and some grease type thing. So put that there. And then guys, right here, this is a big empty spot. It's about 5 feet. About 4.5, 5 feet long. I'm going to build a custom parts rack. So basically, you know those blue parts bins you can buy from like Uline or Greg? They've got the little dividers inside of them. I'm going to make a rack here for those, and I'm probably going to have 2 shelves of the larger, like 8 to 10 inch wide ones, and then 2 shelves of the medium size, maybe 3 shelves of the medium size, and then 1 or 2 shelves of the smallest size. But we've also got all this storage up here, guys, so we could put something up there. I might put some lawnmower wheels because they're a pain in the butt to store, and I could make a little catch for them so they stay up there and they're easy to find what you're looking for. And like I said, I've also got this storage up here. And there's going to be a little bit of storage up front in the cab area. At some point, what I'm going to do up here is I'm going to install a shelf over your head, and we're going to have some things like air filters and light things that need to stay clean be kept up here. But we're going to work on the front cab section of this thing on another set of videos. Right now, basically just focusing on what's back here. So got pretty far this last few days, guys. Feeling good about it, and I'll probably get back into this towards the end of the week. I got to build some storage lockers for in the barn for some customers that want some storage space. So we're gonna work on that. You're probably wondering why I got a police decal. That's from some electric bikes I built in the mid 2000s for the RCMP, the local RCMP detachment wanted some electric bikes, and they gave me these decals. So I kept one of them for my toolbox. And anyway, yeah, so I hope you guys had a good New Year's and all that kind of stuff. And stay tuned, click the subscribe button. I'll make a few more videos about this van coming together, and then maybe one day we'll do a video of a lawnmower service in here, and you can see exactly how this baby performs. Thanks for watching.